Hey there! Are you a fan of McDonald's French fries? Well, if you are, stick around because I'm about to take you on a journey from the farm to your plate, showing you how these beloved fries are made. Now, imagine an empty field. It's the beginning of everything. In these fields, we grow the Irish potatoes that eventually become those delicious fries you enjoy. But it's not as simple as planting a seed and waiting for it to grow. Oh no, it's a whole process. First off, we need to clear and prepare the land. That's where the big machines come in. Companies like Grimme Group, DeWolf, and Standen Engineering provide us with the heavy-duty equipment we need to get the job done. These machines till the soil, removing any debris and making it ready for planting. Next comes the planting. We use modern tractors to stack the Irish potatoes and plant them neatly in rows across the fields. It's quite a sight to see. Each potato is carefully placed to ensure optimal growth and yield. Now, here's the kicker. It takes about 3 months for these potatoes to grow. 3 months of tender, loving care. During this time, we have to make sure they get everything they need to thrive. That means watering them regularly. And for that, we rely on giant irrigation machines. These beasts ensure that every potato gets the water it needs to grow big and strong. But it's not just water we have to worry about. There are pesky bugs out there just waiting to feast on our precious potatoes. That's where the chemicals come in. We use them to keep those bugs at bay, protecting our crop and ensuring a bountiful harvest. And did you know? Some of the best Irish potato producers are right here in Washington State, USA. It's no wonder that major French fry factories like Lamb Weston are located here too. But more on that later. For now, let's focus on the journey of these potatoes from the farm to your plate. So sit tight and enjoy the ride. Hey, wasn't that a fascinating insight into how Irish potatoes are grown? Now, I promised you we'd get deeper into the magic behind McDonald's French fries, and I've got just the person to do that. Joining us now is Adam, our factory expert. Welcome, Adam.
Thanks, Kimberly. It's great to be here.
So Adam, as we've seen, there's a lot that goes into growing the potatoes. But what happens next? How do they go from the farm to those golden fries we love?
Great question, Kimberly. Well, once those potatoes leave the farm, they head straight to the factory. And let me tell you, it's quite a sight to see. The factory is a hive of activity, with state-of-the-art machinery from companies like McCain Foods, J.R. Simplot Company, and Cavendish Farms working round the clock to turn those potatoes into fries.
Wow, that sounds impressive. But I'm curious, Adam, did you know that McDonald's is one of the largest purchasers of potatoes in the world? In fact, they use over 7 billion pounds of potatoes each year to make their fries. That's mind-boggling, isn't it?
Absolutely, Kimberly. It just goes to show the scale of operations involved in producing those iconic fries. And speaking of scale, did you know that each McDonald's fry goes through a meticulous process to ensure quality and consistency? From washing and sorting to cutting and frying, every step is carefully monitored to meet McDonald's high standards.
That's incredible. I bet our viewers would love to hear more about some of the interesting machinery used in the factory. Can you share some factory tips with us?
Of course, Kim. One of the most fascinating pieces of equipment in the factory is the potato peeler. This machine can peel hundreds of potatoes in just minutes, saving a ton of time and effort. And when it comes to cutting the potatoes into fries, precision is key. That's why we use advanced cutting machines that can slice the potatoes into perfect, uniform shapes every time.
That's really amazing, Adam. I'm sure our viewers are enjoying learning about the inner workings of the factory. But you know what? I think it's time I handed over the reins to you. Why don't you take it from here and walk our viewers through the rest of the process?
Sounds like a plan, Kimberly. Stay tuned, folks, because when we come back, I'll be showing you exactly how McDonald's takes those potatoes from the factory floor to your favorite McDonald's restaurant. You won't want to miss it. Welcome back, everyone. Now that we've seen how Irish potatoes are grown and how they make their way to the factory, let's dive into the fascinating world of French fry fry production at McDonald's. So, picture this. Trucks loaded with fresh Irish potatoes arrive at the factory, ready to be transformed into those delicious fries. The potatoes are unloaded and dumped onto a conveyor belt, where they undergo the first step of the process, washing. It's crucial to start with clean potatoes to ensure the highest quality end product. Once washed, the potatoes are transported by water to machines that specialize in peeling. These machines work tirelessly to remove the skins, leaving behind perfectly clean potatoes ready for slicing. And let me tell you folks, the speed at which these machines operate is truly impressive. Next up, it's time to slice the potatoes into those iconic French fry shapes. We use special equipment designed to slice the potatoes into long strips at high speed, ensuring uniformity and consistency in every fry. But here's where it gets really interesting. Before they're fully cooked, the fries undergo a process known as half frying. This involves partially frying the potatoes in oil to give them that crispy exterior while still maintaining a soft interior. It's this half frying step that gives McDonald's French fries their irresistible texture. Once half fried, the fries are carefully packaged to preserve their freshness and flavor. From there, they're loaded onto trucks and distributed to McDonald's restaurants, drive-thrus, and other locations around the world. And there you have it, folks. From farm to factory to your plate, the journey of McDonald's French fries is one of precision, care, and innovation. So the next time you bite into a piping hot fry, remember the fascinating process that went into making it possible.
Thanks, Adam, for that insightful tour through the world of French fry production at McDonald's. And thank you to all our viewers for joining us today at Bold Techie on this fascinating journey. Now, as you indulge in every crispy, golden bite of those iconic McDonald's French fries, don't forget to show your support for the channel by giving this video a thumbs up, hitting the notification bell icon, and subscribing for more exciting content. Until next time, happy eating.